Let's see code for in-order traversal using recursion. Generally, this tree looks like this. Every node is having left address and left node address and node value and right node address. If you don't know about the recursion, go back and watch my recursion videos. We need to pass root node address to this function, that is nothing but 100. Let's draw a stack trace of this function to get better understanding. 100, we need to pass 100 to this function. 100 not equals to null. Then we need to pass 100 left to this same function. Let's draw stack trace. 100 left, 100 value, 100 right. We need to pass 100 left to this same function. 100 left nothing but 200 left, 200 value, 200 right. These two function calls are not yet finished. So 200 left, again we need to pass it to this same function. 200 left nothing but 400, 400 left, 400 value, 400 right. Again 400 left, need to pass it to the same function. 400 left nothing but null. Then null double equals to null. So we need to return back it to here. So 400 value nothing but 40. So 40 will get printed. This stack record will get removed. So 400 right, 400 right, again null, null double equals to null. So this stack record will get deleted and it comes back here. So all three calls are done. This stack record will get deleted. It comes back here. So 200 value. 200 value is nothing but 20. So 20 will be printed. 200 right. Now 200 value. So this one we printed. Now 200 right. This is. So 200 right, again we need to pass it to the same function. 200 right nothing but 500 left, 500 value and 500 right. Again 500 left, we need to pass it to the same function. 500 left nothing but null, null double equals to null. It comes back here. 500 value nothing but 50. 50 will be printed. 500 right, 500 right, again null, null double equals to null. Then it comes back here. These two records will get deleted. So all three calls are done. The stack record also get deleted. Now it comes back here. Here all three calls are done. The stack record will be get deleted and it return back to here. 100 value, 100 value nothing but 10. Then 100 right, 100 right, 100 right means again we are 100 right passing to the same function. 100 right, let's assume here 100 right nothing but 300. 300 left, 300 value, 300 right. Again 300 left. 300 left means 300 left we need to pass it to this same function. 300 left nothing but 600. 600 left, 600 value, 600 right. So 600 left, 600 left, again we need to pass it to the same function. 600 left nothing but null. So null double equals to null, it return back here and it will get deleted this record. 600 value nothing but 60. 600 right, 600 right nothing but null. So null double equals to null, it return back here and this stack record will get deleted. All three calls are done. This stack record also get deleted and it return back to 300 value. 300 value nothing but 30. So 30 will get printed here. Now 300 right. 300 right nothing but 700 left, 700 right, 700 value will be here, 700 right. So 700 left, 700 left, it will pass it to this function. 700 left nothing but null. Null double equals to null, it will come back to here, 700 value. 700 value nothing but 70. So 700 right, 700 right is nothing but null. Null double equals to null. Then it comes back here. All three calls are done. These two stack records will get deleted. These all three records are done. These all three calls are done. This stack record will get deleted and it return back to 300 right. These three calls are done. So this stack record also will get deleted and it will return back here and 100. These three calls also done. This stack record also get deleted. Now stack will get empty and this is the in order traversal.